Morning.
Neighbors.
You had a bad morning, huh? I'm sorry.
I'm tired of feeling like this.
I know.
If I would have known this was going to be this difficult, I would have never have agreed to it. I have stopped my pre-op
Diet
program, whatever, because I woke up this morning and I was shaky, so I had a small bowl of cereal because I wasn't as shaky as I was yesterday. Was it yesterday? The other day? I don't know. So I just had a small bowl to try and get a little bit of sugar in me. And I've been congested, coughing, and sneezing all morning, and every time I started coughing after I ate breakfast, well, at 3 o'clock in the morning after I ate a bowl of cereal, every time I cough, I throw up. So now I'm throwing up. I'm just tired. I'm tired of it all. And I'm getting so freaking bored just being here and being tired and sick and not being able to do anything. I want to color so bad and I can't because it hurts my shoulder.
I'm sorry. And you don't want to go to the doctor?
No, I have a doctor's appointment on Friday and I have that medication that pain management called me in, just waiting for the pharmacy to have it in stock. And so
all right.
There's no sense in going to the doctor right now, you know. I mean, I got an appointment on Friday. You can just wait till Friday. What's today, Wednesday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday? I can wait till Friday. I mean, it's no big deal. I mean, I'm suffering for this long. What's in a couple more days, you know?
Mm.
It's just, I'm tired of it. I've been feeling so good until this. You know, I was feeling really good until the doctors decided they wanted to do this.
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, I understand their reasoning, and I love getting off of medications. You know, the less medication I have to take, yay! But I had no idea it was going to be this difficult.
Yeah.
And maybe it's my fault by adding the diet on top of it. I don't know. What are you going to do today?
I just have some running around to do, and so I could either go into the office or go into the basement, one or the other, or I could hang out with you if you want.
I'm probably going to try and sleep. I'm exhausted. I feel so physically and mentally drained.
Okay.
So.
Alright guys, so I have a couple of errands to run. I have to go to the post office. I have to go to the pet hospital because they're supposed to give us some special food for the Boommeister. And I need to pick up something for dinner. Sorry, Val's really not feeling well. But, you know, we do what we gotta do. So, okay, so I'm in Gorham. And I was going to the pet hospital. And I went by Mr. Pizza. So here I am at Mr. Pizza. We've been here a couple of times. It's really nice because it's right on the river. But today, the parking lot is part of the river. The river is moving very swiftly. I'm in the parking lot of Mr. Pizza and I am standing in the river. So I don't know if this is going to get worse. I don't know if this is normal since this is my first spring here. No one seems to be concerned. Everybody seems to be having a good time inside Mr. Pizza. So yeah, so this is how high the river is right now. Right up to my feet. Alright, so I don't know if you can hear me. I'm standing right next to the Androscoggin River. And this is what it looks like right now with the snow runoff. This is just past the falls. Crazy. Alright guys, just me again. So this is the closer, and Val's asleep already. She had a really rough day, and did get an opener out of her, but she pretty much has been asleep the majority of the day, trying to get through these side effects and such. So hope you like something in this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe, resubscribe, talk somebody else into subscribe. You know how it goes. So we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.